Okay, so we got a question right here. A section from the periodic table is shown. Technetium is produced when a deuterium ion collides with a nucleus of one of the other elements shown in the table. In this process, a number of neutrons are also released. Deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen with one proton and one neutron. Complete the nuclear equation to determine the element and the number of neutron released. So we have a main important point right here, which is deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen. Let me write it out. Deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen with one proton and one neutron. Now we know the formula of neutron, which is basically neutron is equal to nucleon minus proton, right? So neutron we have basically 1, nucleon we need to find, and we have proton which is 1, right? So our nucleon will be 2, right? So let's write it over here. We have nucleon 2, we have proton 1. Now we know the neutron, basically it's nucleon and proton. Nucleon is 1 for neutron and it's basically proton is 0. So now we need to figure out what is the element over here, right? So our next step is to find the element over here. So we can identify from this dash over here. So we can see dash plus 1 is basically into 43 plus 0. So we need to have a number over here which basically makes 43, because 43 plus 0 is 43, right? So over here it's overall 43. So we can say over here it is 42, right? Because 42 plus 1 is 43, right? So they are both equal now, and we know 42 over here. We can see from the table the element symbol for 42 atomic number is MO. So we're gonna write here is MO, right? And then once we have written this, now we have to identify how many times we have to multiply this neutron in order for this whole equation to be balanced out, right? So we know the underneath this 42 plus 1 is already balanced. Now we have to balance this upside as well, right? So we can see this 46 plus 2 which makes 96 plus 2 which makes it 98, right? And this 95 plus 1 which basically makes 96. We need 2 more of this nucleon number to make it balanced, right? Because this is not, now it's not balanced, so we need 2 more. So we can write over here times 3, you can say basically times 3. So what it does, 95 plus 3 times 1 which makes it basically 98. So now we can see 98 is balanced with 98. So our whole equation is balanced out and it is the correct answer.